on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel and welcome to my home. I'm in the dining room area right now, and so yeah, I just wanted to come on here because it is WIP Caddy Wednesday, and that is works in progress. And it doesn't have to be on your WIP Caddy, it's just works in progress on Wednesday. So any space that you have. But today is where I get to showcase all of you guys that post your pictures in Facebook and in emails, letting me know what projects that you have going on. We all like to know. Well, today is also announced the winner to my 28K giveaway, and that was Sherry Eccles, 2944. So congratulations, Sherry. Be sure and tell her congratulations. So yeah, let's go ahead. Oh, I'm drinking out of my I crochet so I don't choke people. Save a life, send yarn. This was from my daughter Jennifer. Thank you, Jennifer, so much for this. So let's go ahead and look at some video clips, or rather some slides of all the beautiful, amazing things that you guys are working on. Okay, here we have Susanna's cart. She says that she has so much going on because it's close to Christmas and winter. Yee! Anyway, I love Christmas and I love winter. She said that she has 3 blankets started, a pair of fingerless gloves from Bag O' Day, the 5 fingers gloves. She has a Bag O' Day's puff blanket, and she has Pamela's Adoring Crochet basket weave stitch blanket. Ooh, that sounds cool. And she has the squares that she has not finished yet, but she has a cardigan started, and she just finished all those hats and scarf sets. Everything is beautiful, Susanna, and thank you so much for inspiring us. Wow. Okay, here we have Kathy's, and Kathy says that she just finished my mystery crochet along squares throw. She did 5x5, 25 squares. Wow, that's awesome. She's doing at least 2 of each plus a few others from my stitch tutorials. She said that she's also finished Yarn Inspiration Study of Determination by Mikey, and she's also working on Jaden Stitch's Fair Owl Crochet Along, and everything is just beautiful. Thank you so much, Kathy. I know I showed this last week, but I went ahead and showed it again this week. Thank you so much for showing your stuff, sharing it, and inspiring all of us. Okay, so here we have Patsy's cart, and Patsy says that on her second shelf is a picture of a sunburst granny blanket that she's working on, and on the bottom shelf she has several patterns that she is considering. In the basket are plastic strips that she's balling to make a tote, and she said this is first for her working with Plarn. And Patsy, thank you so much for sharing. I have not worked with Plarn myself either, and thank you for inspiring us. Okay, so here we have Shannon's, and she said that she's making a small cell phone purse, just something to take to run to the store or take to the movies. She says, sorry it's not in a basket or a bin or something like that. Well, Shannon, that's just fine. As long as you're showing your project, that's all we care about. We just need to be inspired. She says that the pattern is a cell phone purse by her, the Spoony Stitcher, and she's just making it up as she goes. Well, that's really cool. That's the way I do mine too. The yarn and hook is Red Heart with Love and Gemini Pollux. The Furls hook is H5mm. And she says for everyone to have a beautiful day. Well, Shannon, you have a beautiful day. Wasn't they just wonderful? Thank you guys so much for sending those in and inspiring everyone. We need it. We need to be inspired. Well, I am drinking pumpkin spice poured into my coffee. So it's just black coffee, but with pumpkin spice creamer. There you go, pumpkin spice creamer. And I just wanted to show you this side of the cup. It has the yarn with the crochet hook, and then we have this side right here. So both sides are pleasant to look at. All right, so yeah, the giveaway, I announced the giveaway and winner. And the only other thing I'm working on, I'm actually going out of town. So let's go ahead and do our daily devotion. Okay, so today's devotion says, safety guaranteed. You will be guarded by God Himself. You will be safe when you leave your home, and safely you will return. He will protect you now, and He'll protect you forevermore. Psalms 121, 7 and 8. Huddled in the basement of the museum, visitors waited for the hurricane to pass. Children cried or slept. Parents' expressions were tight and anxious. Museum staff held walkie-talkies and flashlight, beams bouncing nervously. Sirens wailed, winds howled, and the depths of the shelter shook as the mighty storm raged outside. Even with modern engineering advancements implemented, those sheltered from the storm were worried. There was no guarantee of safety. Could we expect the huddled crowds to be singing for joy, rejoicing in their place or refuge? If they were aware of the one who has promised to always protect, then their praises would echo off the shelter walls. In the shadow of your protection, God, I can be glad. You are the only one able to guarantee my safety. Your protection spreads over me stronger than any bomb shelter or apocalyptic bunker that could ever be built. With you, I can delight through the storm. Oh, that was very nice, and I needed that today. And I hope that you guys did too. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. That's really all that I have for today's video. Because I showed everything yesterday and I did no crocheting at all yesterday. I just kind of worked on my home here, trying to organize a few things, and yeah, that's all that I have. So I'll be out of town Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and maybe Monday. I'm not sure, but Monday I do plan on doing a video of some pictures from the honeymoon, and that was in Charleston, South Carolina. And then some of the wedding reception. I don't have any pictures from the actual wedding yet. I have a few, but not from the photographer. So I may throw in a few of those if I can, if I feel like that they look good. Well, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.